Welcome to BMS videos.
Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are well at home. So बच्चे, today we are going to start chapter 6 fractions. Firstly we will do basics. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Whole means full का कुछ part, okay? And if we will divide whole into two parts, how? See, like this, what we get? We get two portions. It means denominator will be 2 and numerator will be 1. This is the part of whole. Whole मैंने this full को हमने कितने parts में divide कर दिया? 2, and we get this part 1 and this part 1. And in this, see, in this we have divided the whole into how many parts? 3. Okay, so total parts are 3. So denominator will be 3 and fraction will be 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. And this we have divided the whole into 4 parts. Now then denominator will be 4. Check this. Then this part will be 1 by 4. Now check in this part. I have done this part shaded. Okay, and then fraction of this part will be 1 by 3 and unshaded part will be 2. Then fraction of unshaded part will be 2 by 3. Okay, next we have fraction. How we can write the fraction? Fraction can be written as numerator by denominator. Okay, fraction can be written as 2 by 3. In this 2 will be numerator and 3 will be denominator. Next we have types of fractions. First we have type like fractions. I think this you all have done in grade 4. What are like fractions? Like, the name is clear from like. Like means whose denominators are same. Fraction with the same denominator, we call them like fractions. Then we have unlike fractions. Check. Fractions with the different denominators, we call them unlike fractions. Okay, next we have proper fractions. What are proper fractions, bache? Proper fractions are those fractions whose numerator is smaller than the denominator. Okay, and this fraction, check, numerator is smaller than the denominator. Hanji bache, next we have improper fractions. Fractions whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, in this fraction numerator is greater than the denominator. 3 is greater, then 2 is smaller, we call it improper fraction. If both are same, it is also an improper fraction. Okay, next we have mixed fraction. What is a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is a whole number, is a combination of whole number with the proper fraction, not with the improper fraction. It is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction, and this part we call it whole part and this we call it a fractional part. Next we have unit fraction. A fraction with the numerator 1, whose numerator is 1, is called the unit fraction. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Okay, next we have lowest fraction or lowest form, or we call it a simplest form. When a common factor between numerator and denominator is 1, then the fraction in its lowest form. What does it mean, bache? It means, suppose we have 3 by 18. Now we will check these two, this fraction and this numerator and denominator is divisible on which same number? It is divisible by 3. we will choose that number on which this whole fraction will be divisible. This doesn't mean that 18 is going on 2, then we will take 2. No, we have to choose the same number. Now if we will divide 3 by 3, what will come? 1. Then 18 divided by 3, what will come? 6. Further, it is not reducing. So this form, this fraction is called lowest term, lowest form, simplest form, lowest fraction. Any name you can give, because further its common factor is 1. That is why we call it, we are saying no, when common factor between numerator and denominator is 1, then the fraction in its lowest form. This is the lowest form. Yes, bache. Now we are going to start checkpoint 0. First question. What fractions do the line segment OA represent in each of the given number lines? Check this. This is 0, or we call it OA. This is 0. And after this you count the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then 7 will be your denominator. And how we will write the number line? This is 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7, 7 by 7. Okay. Then what will be OA? OA will be 3 by 7. Next, how many lines after this O? This is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our denominator will be 12. Then what it will be? This point 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12, 5 by 12. Then OA will be 5 by 12. Next we have, write whether the given pairs of pictures represent like fractions or equivalent fractions. This is one pair, this is second pair. Okay. Now see, this, how many total are there? 8. So denominator will be 8. How many shaded? 2. Here 3. With this observation, what you will get? You get here denominators are same. So we call them, if denominators are same, we call them like fractions. Okay. Next, here check, here denominator is 8, here denominator is 4. How many shaded? 4. Here how many shaded? 2. Now here check, 2 by 4, 4 by 8. We will make the denominator same. How we will make the denominator same? We will multiply here 2. 4 by 8. Okay. See, this is same. Both answers are same. So we call it equivalent fractions. Okay. Now next, convert the given improper fraction into mixed fraction. Check this, bache. How we are converting the improper into mixed? We will do divide, and 5 table you will count up to 5. This will come. Okay. We call it a whole number, and this is, we call it a fractional part. This is whole number. Okay. And how we are writing? Q R by D. This is the procedure to write the improper into mixed. Okay. Firstly we will write the quotient, then remainder, and then divisor, like this, opposite U. Fine. Now come to this. We will divide it. Okay. What is a mixed fraction? How we will write? 14, 1 by 3. Okay. Next, arrange the given fractions in ascending order. If the denominators are same, we will write the ascending order as it is how we are writing the ascending order. Like first this, second, then third, fourth and fifth. And in this only one fraction is different. Okay, then this improper fraction is always greater. You just keep in mind, improper fractions are always greater than the proper fraction. We have to write in ascending order. First we will write this, second, third, fourth and then fifth. Next, see, solve 4 by 6 minus 3 by 6. Okay, in fractions always we are adding or subtracting only numerators, not the denominators. Okay, because these are the parts. Fine, so we are always subtracting numerator. And this 11 by 11, its answer is 1. Why? Because if you will divide, this is the mean of fraction, means division. Okay, and dividing it, fraction means dividing into parts. Then if you will divide 11 by 11, what answer will come? 1. Okay, next we are going to start bache checkpoint 1. Are the given fractions equivalent? How we are finding this? Check bache how we will find are the given fractions equivalent. We have 11 by 5 and 22 by 10. How we will find? First we will write as it is. Fine. Then what we will do? This numerator we will not shift. It will be here only. And this numerator will be here only. You know what I have put like this? See the arrows. I have not put arrows over here. I have written like this. Fine, it means I will pick it up and take it over here, and I'll pick it up and take it over here, and this is a sign of cross multiply. Okay, I will not change the position of numerator. If numerator 11 is here, I'll keep it here only, and 22 here, I will keep here only. I'll take 10 over here, from here to here, and 5 from here to here. Then I will do multiply. Fine. Now see, if these are equal, what I will write? I will write, yes, it is necessary to write, yes, the fractions are equivalent. Okay, yes, the fractions are equivalent. Next, see, I'll have done the same procedure, but here fractions are, see, answer is not equal. So I will write, no, the fractions are not equivalent. Okay. Next, reduce the fraction to their simplest form. Okay. Same, I have taken the example of that 3 by 18. I'll choose that same number on which these both are divisible. So 3 by 18 are divisible by 3. I'll take 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. And 18 divided by 3, 6. This is in the simplest form. Next, see bache, 6 by 8. Now tell me that these two are divisible on which number? These both are even. So it is divisible by 2. 3 by 4. Okay. Then 10 by 1000. It is divisible by 10. 1 by 100. If you will divide 10 by 10, what will come? 1. If you will divide 1000 by 10, then answer will be 100. Next we have compare the fraction. It is same as the equivalent fraction, just compare means we have to put the sign only. Okay. Check this. 7 by 3, 15 by 4. Okay. 7 by 3, 15 by 4. I'll take 7, I will write here because it is here. 15 here. 4 I will take from here and I will do multiply here. 3 here. 7 4s are 28. 15 3s are 45. Which is greater? This one. So my sign will be like this. Yes बच्चे, next we are going to start revision exercise. Express the improper fraction into mixed fraction. You know how to solve it by doing divide. And how we are writing? First we will write 1. Remainder will go upside and divisor will be down. See here 8. Okay. 1 will come here. It is QR by D. Fine. Same here. 19 by 7 2, then 14 7 के टेबल में 19 नहीं आता तो so we will write a smaller one. Okay, 2, then if you will subtract 9 minus 4 5 2, then 5 and then 7. जो आपका डिनोमिनेटर होता है वही नीचे आता है, that is a divisor only. Okay, next we have write 3 equivalent fractions. Fine. How we are writing equivalent fractions? We are writing by multiply. We are writing the particular table of numerator and denominator. 4 by इसका टेबल लिखना आपने 3 times. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 4 3s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Same like this. 9 2s are 18, 27, 36, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. Okay, next see, fill in the missing numbers. How you will do it? सबसे पहले आप ये चेक करोगे 1 के टेबल में 9 कितने पे आते हैं. How it will become 9? 1, how it has become 9? When you will multiply it. वही 9 से आपने ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई कर देना, वही 9 से आपने नीचे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. Then your answer will be 90. And this it is reducing. It means what we will do कि 9 का 3 कैसे बन गया. Okay, then it means it is dividing. We are doing divide. 9 को 3 से डिवाइड करोगे 3 आएगा, तो सेम you will divide with this. Then what answer will come? 17. And in this 4 का 40 कैसे बना? 4 के टेबल में 40 आता है 10 पे, तो वही 10 को आपने यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना. यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 ओवर हेयर एंड आंसर विल बी 20. नेक्स्ट सेम आई हैव टोल्ड यू बाय डूइंग क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. 4 multiply 5, then 9 multiply 2, 20 and 18, which is greater? This one. Then sign will be like this. This is same. Reduce the fraction into their lowest terms. You will check these both are divisible on which number? 2. 6 by 3. Further it is all reducing. 3. 2 by 1. But we are not writing 2 by 1. This is improper. So we are writing only 2. Next, find the sum. Yes beta ji. In this question denominators are not same, so you will not add the denominators. You have done these kind of questions bache where denominators are same already, but here denominators are not same. Then you have to make the denominators same. How you will make the denominator same? By taking the LCM of denominator. We have to make the denominator same. So we will take the LCM of denominators. See 8 and 2. So आप चेक करो ये दोनों कौन सी टेबल पे जाते हैं? 2 पे. 2 के टेबल में 8 कितने पे आता है? 4. 2 के टेबल में 2 1. This topic you have done in factors and multiples. Okay, we have found the LCM 8. Now we have to make 8 also here also. It is already 8. We have to make 8 like here also. I will write as like this: 3 by 8, 5 by 2. Fine. In this no need to do any changes because already 8 is there. I will multiply by 1. 2 को मैं किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूँगी? 8 बन जाएगा 4 से. 4 से नीचे, 4 से ऊपर. 5 4s are 20, 2 4s are 8. Then after this you check what is the sign? Plus. Then you will add these both. Okay, 3 by 8 plus 20 by 8. What answer will come? 23 by 8. This, if you will leave the answer up to here, that is also correct. But this is in the improper form. Then you can change it. Okay, in the mixed form. Yes bache, same in the case of difference. we have to make the denominators same. Fine, by taking LCM. See this. Now we have taken the LCM 180, here also 180 we will make, here also 180 we will make, like this. We will check the tables. Fine. Then after this we will do minus, because we have to find the difference. Fine. See, but in this we will not change because it is already in the proper fraction. Okay beta, thanks, have a nice day.